Hi traders, just want to give an update to the Aussie dollar. I'm on the monthly chart, and if you are in Australia, happy Australia Day. It is Australia Day here today. Now, we had a very strong move up yesterday on the back of high inflation figures up to monthly resistance here at 71.06. This fib range is a range of last year's candle, the whole range of last year, and we're up to the 62% level at 70.91. So it is a key area where the market could definitely fail at. We had a very strong move yesterday. Will that move come to an end for a move back below the 7100 level? At the moment, we're trading at 71.08. So we're 2 pips above monthly resistance at the moment. Let's just drop down to the weekly chart and have a closer look. Alright, on the weekly chart now, we're just a fraction short of 71.37. So we may come up to test that level today or not. We may be holding at this monthly resistance level here at 71.06. Traded fractionally above it yesterday. But what I'm anticipating is over the next few trading days we could fail here. That's last year's move down. Of course, we've rallied back up now to the 62% level of last year's move. We could be putting in the high of the year here. We could form a double top across here for a move down. Okay. Obviously, with inflation moving up, interest rates are going to move up. We have a definite property bubble in Australia. Things could get very dicey over the next 6 to 12 months. So we may well see a further decline long term for the Aussie dollar, and this is where we could get a significant top forming. So it is worth watching the 7100 level at the moment. Over the next few days, do you see a price failure there? So let's just drop down to the daily chart. Alright traders, on the daily chart, all I'm seeing at the moment is an uptrend, but we are heading towards very close to this top here. And as I've just discussed, we're in this or at this monthly weekly resistance area. So on the 15-minute chart, I'm going to start to watch the 7100 level. If I can see a nice tight entry, trendline failure at the 7100 level, I think it's a very opportune time to look for a move down from the 7100 level. So let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart. Alright traders, so we are fractionally above, couple of pips above that monthly resistance level. There's the 7100 level, so just monitoring at the moment. There's a trend line. Do we start to see a failure, a move back below 7100? Do we start to see price break the trend line? Can it come up to retest and then fail at 71 for a move down? Alright, so I'm looking for failure at the 7100 level to take a position short for a long-term move down. And I'll give you an update of where price is in the webinar tonight. It is Australia Day, but we still have a webinar tonight, so if you have the time, why not join me? So watching 7100 at the moment. Can we break back below, retest and fail for a long-term move down?